everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com, and today is going to be a what I made in the month of January video. This is my first time doing one of these. I see a lot of my other soul sisters and vloggers doing it, and I think it's a great way to just round up everything that you made that month and share it with you. I can even tell you my favorites and the things that I didn't like that much. So yeah, this is going to be the first one. If you all like it, be sure to let me know and I will continue it on throughout the year. So up first, gotta grab everything. I have it over here. This is a cute little dress that I made for my daughter Justice. I made it in a mustard linen. I got this fabric from the fabric store that's in LA on La Brea, and I love it. I'm gonna do a close-up of the pattern somewhere on here so you can see the pattern that I used for it, because I have no idea what all these pattern numbers are. But yeah, I absolutely love this little dress on her. It's so cute with her little black tights. Oh, next I made this Simplicity sweatshirt. I actually have a video on it. You can check that out and sew along with me. This sweatshirt, I love it. I've ironed on some patches right here. These patches were sent to me from a fellow soul sister, Lauren. Thank you for the patches. And I wear this thing so much. This is definitely, it's not that glamorous, you know, but it's definitely a favorite because I wear it all the time. So yeah, simple sweatshirt, and I love that. This skirt right here is a Simplicity skirt. I don't have the number. It's on here somewhere, the pattern. But I thought it was so cute. It's out of corduroy. I got this corduroy from the sewing studio. I love that little shop. The owner is so sweet. You all definitely go by and check them out. I got all of my hardware, the buckle, and the eyelets from Hobby Lobby. And this is a really great skirt to sew up. I love that it was lined. This little fold over part was lined. And yeah, I love this skirt. Super cute. This is one of the favorites. That goes into favorites. Next up, I have this simple little, I think they have it as like a bodycon. It's like a simple little pullover dress. And I made it out of double brushed poly spandex. I love this fabric. It's so soft. I got it from LA Finch Fabrics, and it just feels amazing. This is a Macaws pattern, and yeah, I love it. It doesn't have a collar. It just has a narrow fold over hem for the neckline. It's one of those learn to sew patterns, so it's great for beginners, for sewing with knits. It had lots of tips in there as far as fabric, needles, serger, everything that you need to know for sewing with knits was in that pattern. So definitely check that out if you're new to sewing and new to knits. This one right here, love. It's a lot of black and yellow because I did my first collection. It was a black and yellow collection. I love it so much. I'm really proud of myself. I stepped outside my norm and I tried something new, and I love it, and it really has like changed the way I want to create now. Like I will still create like a piece here and a piece there, but I really am interested in doing more collections. Maybe, you know, like one for spring, one for summer, one for fall. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about that. I had a great time doing it, so it's something I may do anyway. This one right here is a turtleneck. It's a Simplicity pattern, a Mimi G pattern. I think this one is 8466, but I have the pattern up here somewhere for you. But it's like a crop top tank, so I wish I would have lengthened it a little bit more, but since I didn't, I will definitely always wear it with something high-waisted pants, even under some overalls, a high-waisted skirt, something high-waisted, because I don't want my midriff showing. And then it has this cute little bell sleeve at the end. I made this out of Liverpool knit from LA Finch Fabrics, and yeah, it has an invisible zipper down the back. I love this. It came together really fast. And the hem bands, favorite. I got a lot of favorites. Next up is these Wyelet pants that I love. Let me try to find the top of it. Right here. I have a sew me video coming up soon for these. Let me tell you something about that video. It was so long. It was over an hour long. I had so much footage. I was like, I have to get this thing down. So right now I have it down to 30 minutes, which is still kind of long for me. So I want to get it down a little bit more, but not, you know, shorten it up for you all. I still want to give a really great video and a great tutorial, but I'm just trying to shorten it because I don't want y'all to be watching a 45-minute video. It's crazy. But I love this so much. I love the paper bag. It's like a paper bag. Is it paper bag high-waisted? I think it's paper bag high-waisted, but these are the wide leg. I think it was view D on the pattern, and I used a black twill, non-stretch. I got it from Hobby Lobby and I love it. I did cut a size 20 in these because the fabric didn't stretch, so I was a little concerned about that. I was like, maybe if it was stretch fabric, I would have went with the 18. But after I had it made up and I wore them a little bit, I'm like, I should have went with the 18 anyway, because you know, clothes, they kind of loosen up as you wear them. I didn't think of that. I only thought of, it doesn't stretch. I didn't think of, you know, day-to-day wear is gonna loosen up as you wear it. But they still fit great, and you can always wear your belt to kind of keep them in around the waist. But I love these pants. They are so, like, the wide leg is just wide, okay, wide. But these are a favorite. I love them. And then this is like all-time favorite right here, like this, honey, yes. Let me get her on. Uh-oh. Arm, come with it, yes. I love this Macaws jacket. This is 7333 View A. It has this hood. It's just fabulous, like, ugh. And then the cuff sleeves. I love it. Again, this is the mustard from the fabric store. That's on La Brea. I love it. Love, love, love. Only thing I will say is I'm not a fan. I think I wrote it in my blog post. I'm not a fan of things where the shoulder and the neck is like all connected and like you just have to pivot at dots. I like a shoulder seam and a neckline. I don't like shoulder and then it just goes, because then you have to fold over the seam and slip stitch it in place, and it's like, ugh. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Trying to match up dots and stuff, but I love the way it turned out. Definitely a favorite of January. So the next one I have here is a cardigan. This is the Annie. It's the cardigan from Mimi G, one of her PDF patterns, and I love this pattern. This cardigan is amazing. So easy to sew. I definitely recommend it. Mimi also posted a sew along forward if you like want to see it being made up. She has that provided for you. This is just one of those pieces that you need in your wardrobe, right? I love cardigans. Always wear them to church. Always have them in my car. I could be around the house and I have a cardigan on. So this is a perfect pattern for that. I got my fabric from LA Finch Fabrics. If you don't know by now, I love LA Finch Fabrics. And it's just this double knit, and I love it. I used some black contrasting knit here for my cuffs and for the hemband, and I just love the way it turned out. So definitely recommend this pattern. I have not done a blog post about it yet. I'm making some bottoms to wear with it, so once the bottoms are done, then I'll photograph it and I'll write a blog post about my review, but buy it. It's an amazing pattern. So yeah, that is it for my month of January. Y'all have enjoyed everything that I made, and you are inspired to make your own. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.